Hello everyone, this is EduTechTube with another quick tutorial about Google Chrome. Today I am going to show you how to change the default homepage of Google Chrome browser on startup. Let's open Google Chrome. As you can see, by default my homepage is google.com. Let's say if you want to change it to another website, you need to go to Settings. Then on the left tab, you need to go to On Startup, and on third option, open a specific page or set of pages. As you can see, it is google.com. Let's say I want to make it YouTube. You just need to type here or copy paste the link of the site that you want and press save. And next time when you will open the Google Chrome, it will open the website that you have entered in that space. Okay guys, this is pretty straightforward process. I hope you will like it. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.